After binding the receiver and the transmitter together, and this receiver to the DX5, we're going to do a little bit of a cleanup here. We may move the output cables over to the 3 positions because as you can see, we've got 6 pinouts here, and we may want to utilize aux2 or aux3 on some other device. Currently, the output control is set for the steering on pin number 1. The throttle is on pin number 2, and those are going to map over to 3 and 4, as I said before, on the flight controller. That's going to be an input value signal. And what's interesting is the aux1 is the next one, which we want to set with our mode, with our flight mode 3-position switch, and that's switched C that we had set before. Or we could set it to aux3. To do that, we'd have to move this pin all the way over to the aux3 position on pin number 6, which is where we got the power supply right now. So if we do want to control anything at this point with aux2 or aux3, we're going to have to put a control wire on those, which won't affect the positive and ground functions, which are powering the ESC and powering the servo and powering the receiver. Just be aware that you do need a control signal in order to activate the servo, and be aware of your mapping for aux1, 2, and 3. We're going to use aux1 for now to map the flight mode, but we may activate the AVC and just map it straight over to aux3, in which case we'll move this output pin out to pin number 6 for the control, and that'll go still back to the position 5 switch for the flight mode selection. Even though it's aux3, we can still use input 5 switch and map that through the computer in order to select between the different flight modes, stabilize or auto or whatever different modes you have in rover, ground modes.